guys, want to hear more Spark? Keep watching. Let's go see what happened to Spark. Coat feels weird. Oh, there's the moon. It's supposed to be green tonight, right? Mm-hmm. Cool. When does that happen?
I don't know.
Like once in every
420 years.
420?
Who knows if it was even true?
What?
I don't know if it was even true. Just because you read it on the internet doesn't mean it's true.
Yeah.
Let's wait and see if this is them coming home. If it is, we're probably not. I'm going to go over there.
Okay. This isn't. They're going too fast. I'm trying not to film the license plate.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's go around the back and then maybe we won't disturb everything.
Okay. What do you mean go around the back?
Around the back.
Oh, okay.
That way we're not on their back porch. Since they have family here and we are lurking in their backyard, it's not weird at all.
Sorry.
I'm so glad that all the nice hiccups.
Thank you.
People are going to be busy if we're falling back and
Sorry.
okay.
What happens when you play Minecraft?
It makes me busy.
Well, you, but the person that's playing it isn't. Branches in my head.
That's a good move.
Spark is not there. Spark.
Let's get out of their yard, okay?
Okay. I just want to look at this. Shh. They're pretty. Goldfish.
That's good news. It looks like you made it. Please don't drop that in here.
That's fine. Okay.
Alright, so let's walk. How about up here?
Okay. It's a long walk down here. What the heck is this?
Buddha.
A Buddha?
Buddha.
A Buddha. Okay. So, Spark is good. He flew off and he is a...
That might be him singing.
Do woodpeckers sing? Oh.
It's a happy ending.
That was some background music. Film me.
Oh, yes. This is the dance of happiness. Okay.